Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset a GE Quiet Power 3 dishwasher. Now, if your machine is stuck, won't start, or the lights are behaving oddly, the reset is often the quickest fix. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, you need to start with the standard control reset. In it, just make sure that your dishwasher is powered on. Now on your dishwasher, you need to look for the start or the reset button. So if it has the start button, simply look for the start button. If it has the reset button, it is well and good. You can go with the reset button. Now close the door immediately. On the GE quiet power models, this usually triggers a cancellation cycle. Now once you do this, you should hear the dishwasher begin draining. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes to fully stop. If the controls are still unresponsive, you can use the full power reset. In it, first of all, you just have to turn off the dishwasher at the circuit breaker. Leave it off for about 1 minute. Now this also clears the temporary electronic glitches. Now if your dishwasher appears frozen mid-cycle, you can try this sequence. First of all, you need to open the door slightly, then simply press the start or the reset button. Afterwards, simply close the door. So this forces the system to abort the active program. So this is how you can reset the GE Quiet Power 3 dishwasher. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.